Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to use Mondly to learn languages on your phone. First of all, open the Mondly app on your phone. Once it opens, it will ask you to select the language you speak. I'll choose American English. Next, choose the language you want to learn. For this example, I will select German. Then choose your level, such as beginner, intermediate, or advanced. I'll go with beginner and tap Start Learning. Then it will ask why you're learning German. Select a purpose. I'll choose business and move to the next page. On this page, you can set a daily learning goal. You can pick 5, 10, 15, or 20 minutes according to your routine and tap Continue. You can also enable reminders and personalized content so the app notifies you daily to keep learning. It will start customizing a learning plan for you. Once it's ready, tap Continue. There you go. We have landed on the Explore page with an overview on the screen. From the home page, tap Start Lesson to begin your first lesson. You'll select the correct options, drag and drop, and follow the on-screen steps to complete it. Back on the Explore page, you can check your daily lesson updates here, and if you scroll down a bit, you can use the chatbot for daily practice. Explore more options like journal and language learning fundamentals, and unlock features for business communication, travel, or everyday conversations to build your vocabulary. Let's go back to the top. Now from the top left, tap the gear icon to open settings. Here you can see your selected language. Want to add another one, you can do it from here. Just select the language that you want to learn and add it. The new language will also be listed here. Also, you can manage other settings, such as notification settings, sound effects, autoplay voice, etc. Back on the Explore page, if you tap the crown icon, it will take you to a new page where you can see the premium plans that unlock advanced features and make it easier for you to learn faster. So select a plan that suits you and unlock all the premium features. Now let's go back and explore the bottom menu. Next to the Explore tab, tap on Learn. It will help you build everyday vocabulary with topics like countries, numbers, and family. However, these are available for premium users. Next, go to the Review tab. Here you can check your completed lesson history, including your answers. Since we just created an account, this section is currently empty. Now go to your Profile tab. Here you can check your username, learning progress, the words you have learned, the total time you have spent learning, and all your achievements will be listed here. If you haven't signed up, tap Sign Up at the top. Once your account is created, return to the profile page to see your progress. There, you'll also find a leaderboard. Here, you can view your friends or learners from your contacts, as well as learners from your local region or around the world. You can check their points and learning streaks. That's how you use Mondly to learn a new language on your phone, and thank you for watching.